Hello everyone, my name is Ankushi Garg and in today's video we are going to discuss about growth investment. Growth investment is an investment style and strategy that is focused on increasing an investor's capital. Growth investors typically invest in growth stocks, that is young or small companies whose earnings are expected to increase at an above average rate compared to their industry sector or the overall market. Let us learn about the types of growth investments. One can invest in small cap stocks, technology and healthcare stocks, and make speculative investments. Let's know what are small cap stocks. The size of a company is based on its market capitalization or net worth. There is no exact universal definition of what is considered to be a small cap company compared to micro, mid, or large cap. But most analysts classify any company with a capitalization of between $300 million and $2 billion as a small cap firm. Technology and healthcare stocks. Companies that develop new technologies or offer innovations in healthcare can be excellent choices for investors who are looking for a home run play in their portfolios. The stocks of companies that develop popular or revolutionary products can rise exponentially in price in a relatively short period of time. Speculative investments. Thrill seekers and speculators look to high-risk growth instruments such as penny stocks, futures and options, contracts, foreign currency, and speculative real estate such as undeveloped land. There are also oil and gas drilling partnerships and private equity for aggressive investors in high-income brackets. Those who pick the right choice in this area can see a return on capital of many times their initial investment, but they can also often lose every cent